Hello, friends. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a fun and engaging conversation that I'm sure you'll love. You'll see two characters chatting about all kinds of things: travel, food, hobbies, and more. It's a great way to learn how to have simple conversations in English. So, stick around till the end. And don't forget, if you enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future content. Now, without further ado, let's get started.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. And you?
I'm good, thank you. What's your name?
My name's Milan. And yours?
I'm Hannah. Nice to meet you, Milan.
Nice to meet you too, Hannah. Where are you from?
I'm from Italy. What about you?
I'm from France, actually. I live in Paris. Where do you live?
I live in Tokyo. It's such a vibrant city.
I bet it is. How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm 24. How about you?
I'm 20. What do you do for work?
I'm a student right now. How about you?
I work at a hospital. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister. What about you?
I've got two brothers. Keeps things interesting at home. Do you like to travel?
I love traveling. It's one of my favorite things to do. How about you?
Same here. I'm always up for an adventure. What's your favorite food?
Sushi, without a doubt. What about you?
I'm a huge fan of pasta. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you?
No pets, but I've always wanted a dog. What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
I love reading and watching movies. You?
I like playing soccer and cycling. By the way, do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano and a little guitar. Do you?
That's awesome. I play guitar too. What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception. What about you?
Oh, that's a great one. Mine is The Dark Knight. Do you like to cook?
Yes, especially Italian food. What about you?
I do. I love experimenting with different cuisines. What kind of music do you listen to?
I enjoy classical music. And you?
I'm into a bit of everything, but I love rock. What's your dream job?
I want to be a scientist. How about you?
That's amazing. I've always wanted to be a pilot. What's your favorite color?
Green. What's yours?
Mine is blue. Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I actually enjoy flying. Do you?
Same here. It always feels like the start of a new adventure. Have you been to any other countries?
Yes, I visited Italy and Spain. What about you?
I've been to the US and Canada. Where do you usually hang out on weekends?
I like to relax at home or catch up with friends. You?
I usually play soccer or go cycling with friends. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis. What about you?
I'm a soccer fan, and I love playing. It was really nice talking to you, Hannah.
It was great chatting with you too, Milan. I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely, I'd love that. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching, friends. I hope you enjoyed the conversation and learned something new today. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to share it with your friends who might enjoy or benefit from it. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more great content coming your way. I'd love to hear your thoughts or any suggestions, so feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.